welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I'm really excited that you've decided to join me today because we're gonna open a brand new package of Yumiko Leotards. I'm a Yumiko ambassador, which means people can place an order through me and get 15% off their order. If you want to learn more about how that process works, I'll go ahead and link a video right up here. If you're not already following me over on Instagram, here is my handle as well as my TikTok. I've been making some fun videos over there that are a little different than YouTube, so check that out if you would like. And then also it means so much if you'd hit that subscribe button while we're at it. I also got the 2023 brand new colors in the mail, so I'm going to show you those as well, and I'm going to try on some of my Yumikos that I got in this order too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so Yumiko number 1 is a Daria style, and this is an N Opera and N Phoenix with white velvet trim. And this style is so beautiful, and I love this color combo. It's like a perfect cami style with a more modern twist because you have the more simple cami front, but you have the like triangle angular pattern on the front with the seams. And then the back is also very simple. It's a great leotard to start with if you're trying Yumiko for the first time, because it isn't too different than a typical cami, but it's just a little bit more modern, and you're able to add that customization with Yumiko with adding whatever color you want for whichever piece. Next we have the Noe style, and if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I really love this style. I think the neckline is so pretty, and I think it just makes your upper body look so beautiful while dancing, and it makes your lines look so lovely. This is in Techni Patagonia on top with microfiber dusty rose trim. I love the snaps on the back of this style and the angles of the straps on the back. It's a very classy leotard, and it looks very flattering on. Now with my Yumiko leotards, I really love to pair really beautiful skirts, maybe some wraps. The pat skirt is one of my favorites in mesh because it just flows so beautifully when you're dancing. But another thing I love to wear when wearing my Yumikos is Ana Luisa jewelry. And I wanted to thank Ana Luisa for working with me on today's video. And since I'm working with them on this video, I do have a discount code to share with you, which is Hanaway20, and that will get you 20% off your order. But if you check out the link down in my description below, they're also having some special sales. Specifically right now, their spring sale is going on, so you might be able to catch an extra discount or two. So I'm currently wearing the marine opal necklace, and I've paired it with the Joni earrings. I love these earrings because they're not too heavy. I am very sensitive to heavy jewelry, so I really love light, dainty jewelry, which I think is perfect for going to dance class, ballet class. And I'll go ahead and show you the other two styles. I also got these beautiful Angela earrings, and they are so dainty and so pretty. Perfect for wearing right with your leotard. And then let's see what else we got here. Oh, these are really pretty too. These are the Andra earrings, and they have like a simple little jewel on the bottom paired with the gold hoop. Like I said, they're so light you can barely feel that they're in. Perfect for dancing, perfect for class. Ana Luisa is also carbon and water neutral, which I love that they're so sustainable. They also have a 2-year warranty where your jewelry, if your jewelry happened to tarnish, they do have a great guarantee. I know that you'll love Ana Luisa just as much as I do. Make sure you check out the link down in my description below. And with that, we'll go ahead and continue with the video. Okay, the next style is the Alicia style, which is one of my absolute favorites. It's actually quite similar to the Daria style that was a cami a few styles ago, where it has that more triangular neckline. And this is a black leotard with nylon black, velvet black on top, and N poem trim. And this is a great example of taking just a simple black leotard, adding black velvet, which elevates it that much more, and then the trim, just a little pop of color if you're allowed to, of course, with at whatever your dance studio or company allows. I just love that little touch of color that makes it just a little bit more unique and yours. This one also has cap sleeves. With any leotard adding sleeves, it's recommended that you size up one size just to make sure those sleeves don't cut in and they're not too tight. But totally up to you and your preference. Again, with some really beautiful sleeves, we have the Sofiane style. This is one of my personal favorites. This one has a much higher neckline, super classic, very beautiful. This is in N Rosewood and N Toffee, and it does have long sleeves. And the line when you wear a long sleeve leotard or a 3/4 sleeve leotard, it's just so beautiful. It just makes you feel more elegant when you wear it in class. And so I highly recommend trying one with sleeves if you haven't already. I love this one. This is the Nadia style, and it is in N Eggplant with velvet eggplant. Whenever there's a velvet match with a nylon or Techni color and you pair them together, it's just something that's like so pretty. So having the two purple tones that match perfectly, wearing them on the same style is just so stunning. And then this style has an adjustable strap in the back, a little piece of fabric that you can slide up or down so you can have it a little bit higher or a little bit lower depending on the way that it feels comfortable for you. So this is a great style. I've heard a lot of great feedback of this style, and it's a little bit more open back, a little bit more unique of a style too. Speaking of open back leotards, we have the Kate style, which in my opinion, I would say this is the most open back style you can get with Yumiko. It has a very low back with a tie that goes across the back. This is nylon cherry as the main color and nylon antique as the trim. And with any light color that you have mixed in with a bold color like cherry, for example, you're definitely going to want to have these washed cold. Specifically, I always hand wash, or if maybe it goes in the washer with my cold wash, but you definitely don't want to wash any of your leotards with warm water because the colors will likely bleed. So just a little tip when washing your Yumikos too. So this one might be my favorite one in this entire order. I love this color combo, and this is the Alicia style. So this is N Phoenix, nylon Phoenix with nylon rosewood, and R Ocean. So this ocean color with these two neutral tones, so pretty. I might have to copy this one on my next order. This style also has a high cut leg. Like I said, this might be my new favorite color combo. So in a few videos from now, you might see this one again. And then Alicia is also one of my favorite styles that you can get. I think that was my first custom style that I purchased. It is very popular, it's very flattering, so if you're looking to try a new style, the Alicia is a really great option. We have another Nadia style, and this is a solid black Yumiko. This is microfiber black with velvet black. Again, adding that same color with the different fabrics just makes it so beautiful. It's a great basic, it's a great staple, and might as well make it velvet on the sides, right? If it has to be black. It's also a great option if your studio requires only black. Adding that velvet black, hey, it's still black, right? So it's another great custom option as well. We have another Daria style, and this is in Tea Frozen, so a very minty, beautiful color with a velvet white trim. It reminds me of, I think it was called like Nylon C, like SEA. Super pretty. So before we move on to my Yumikos, I'll show you the brand new colors that are here. Should I scramble them and then go random? Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, so pretty. Let's start with the purple. This is a Techni color, and this is called Techni Wisteria. When I hear this, I think of Desperate Housewives. Was it like Wisteria Lane? Oh my gosh. Obviously, it's a beautiful color. Wisteria, I think, is also a flower. Beautiful color, definitely recommend. It is Techni, like I said, Techni Wisteria. And let's go with a pink. So this one is definitely going to be popular. This is Techni Aurora. Obviously, Aurora aligns really well with ballet, Sleeping Beauty, Aurora. You can kind of see it against my shirt. This is a little bit more of like a salmon pink, and this one's more like bubblegum pink, I would say, but Techni Aurora. And let's go with another blue. Ooh, okay. This is an interesting name. So this reminds me a little bit of Tea Patagonia, one of the leotards that we just opened together. And this is called Techni Bluebell. Techni Bluebell. That is a very interesting name. Okay, now we're gonna move into some more new, I almost said nudie, moody colors. R is the new velvet. So there's V velvet and R velvet. So this one has just a little bit of a softer texture. So there is that. It's like a dark blue, has a nice shine to it. R Pisces, I would say it's almost a little darker than navy. It's almost like in between navy and teal. You can kind of see what it looks like with Tea Bluebell. This would be a very pretty color combo as well. Okay, two more colors. This is, oh, okay, Wisteria Daffodil. I see a theme here. Nylon Daffodil. So this is a yellow, very pretty yellow color. Nylon Daffodil. I personally really like this next color. This is called Nylon Bronze. It's like almost a little bit darker than Nylon Terra. There was one other one that was similar to Terra a while back if you've been following Yumiko for some time. And bronze, nylon bronze. Okay, so those are the new colors. So I'm gonna open up my Yumikos now and then I'll try them on. I got one leotard in the Alex style. And also they updated their packaging a little bit. So it has the Yumiko logo on the back. I believe these are compostable as well as recyclable. So this is, like I said, the Alex style, and I got this in Techni. So this is Techni Sage along with Techni Patagonia. So here's the front on that style. Sage is a really popular color in general right now, so I was like, might as well try it on a leotard. And let's actually compare the Patagonia. One second. Let's compare the Patagonia color to the new Tea Bluebell. Yeah, so they're very, very similar. You can see here the new color combo along with the Tea Bluebell. They are very, very similar. Okay, we have a new style that I have never tried before. So this is the Kyoko style, Kyoko, which is very similar to a cami style. Obviously you have the more simple front and simple back, but the difference in the Kyoko styles, it has this seam here in the middle. So you could technically order one color here and another color here, split in half. That's a little bit more bold than what I wanted to try for the first time with this style. So I went with a solid color with the seam just to kind of see how the style fits. But this is a solid dark blue leotard. We have the velvet dark blue on top with nylon dark blue on the bottom and the trim. And then you can see here in the back, it has a bust panel, which means it is lined on the top half. And then I always get my leotards with high cut leg because short girlies need to have that little inch on the hip just to make your legs look a little extra long. Thought this one was interesting too because the seam here almost reminds me of where like a tutu would hit on your hips, on your waistline. So it's a little bit lower than others that I've seen, which I think is kind of cool. It's almost more like corset style. So I'm excited to try this one on and see how this fits. Again for hanging out with me and being a part of today's video. Make sure if you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button and you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And thanks again to Ana Luisa for working with me on today's video. Don't forget to check out my link down in the description below and to use my discount code HANNAHWAY20 when checking out with Ana Luisa. I hope you have the best rest of your day and I'll see you in another video real soon. Thanks, bye!